Hey there, viewers. Have you ever had thyme? You've probably eaten it in your food and not even realized it. Thyme is a cooking staple for chefs. It goes as a garnish in so many different recipes. In today's video, we'll be discussing 8 benefits of thyme you need to know about. Can it boost immunity? How about treating acne? Can it lower your blood pressure? Wait, does thyme actually make you feel happier? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Let's begin, shall we? Number 1. Boosts immunity. This is a pandemic era, and boosting immunity is a top priority. We are also approaching fall season, and to minimize your chances of getting a bad cold, you should add immunity-boosting foods to your diet. In addition to citrus fruits, try thyme. This aromatic herb can do a lot for your immunity. Thyme is loaded with vitamin C and A. This is what boosts up your immune system. It's also a good source of nutrients like iron, copper, manganese, and fiber. You can try cinnamon thyme tea. Here's how to do it. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Remove the pan from the heat and add 2 teaspoons of dried thyme as well as a few cinnamon sticks. Cover and steep for 15 minutes. Then add a sweetener of your choice. Strain it and serve hot. Which immunity-boosting tea do you prefer? Would you consider cinnamon thyme tea? Sound off in the comments section below and start a conversation with our bestie community. Number 2. Treats acne. Fighting acne seems to be a never-ending war, am I right? Well, thyme might bring you a little closer to winning it. Yes, thyme can help treat acne. In addition to excess oil, bacteria are the main ingredients that form pimples. Studies suggest that thyme herbs can kill these acne-causing bacteria, thanks to its antibacterial properties. Scientists tried steeping thyme for a few days in alcohol. This thyme was tested on acne and the results were quite impressive. The acne started going away rather quickly. Its antibacterial properties were found to be stronger than standard benzoyl peroxide, which is an ingredient in most acne washes and creams. Benzoyl peroxide usually irritates the skin and causes a burning sensation, so the thyme experiment might be a natural remedy for acne. It's hard to find thyme-based anti-acne products out there, since more research is needed. Number 3. Alleviates coughing. If you're looking for a natural cough remedy, thyme might be helpful. It contains a compound called thymol, which is antimicrobial. This compound is also what gives thyme its pleasant aroma and strong flavor. Studies suggest that a combination of thyme and ivy leaves can be very effective in alleviating coughs and other symptoms of acute bronchitis. Next time you have a cough or a cold, try drinking thyme tea. You can even make a honey thyme cough syrup. Yes, a homemade cough syrup with honey and thyme can fight off bronchial and respiratory infections. To prepare this cough syrup, boil 2 cups of water. Add 3 tablespoons of fresh, organic, or dried thyme leaves. Cover and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the mixture and whisk in the honey until dissolved. Voila! Your homemade honey thyme cough syrup is ready. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons as needed to relieve your sore throat or cough. Transfer this cough syrup into a glass jar and put it in the fridge. You can store it in the refrigerator for about 2 months. Feel like you're missing out? Make sure you join our millions of viewers by hitting that subscribe button and staying up to date on all of our great bestie content. Number 4. Elevates your mood. If you're feeling stressed or having trouble going to sleep, thyme might be the silver lining. Thyme contains a mineral called lithium, which can be used as an antidepressant. Thyme also contains the amino acid tryptophan, which is used to make serotonin, the feel-good hormone. It also has a calming effect on your mind. When thyme essential oil is used in aromatherapy, it makes you feel a lot better. Studies have also shown that thyme also contains carvacrol. This compound affects neuron activity and elevates your mood. The next time you're thinking of buying herbal tea, look for one that contains thyme. Number 5. Reduces blood pressure. This is a big one. Heart disease is only becoming more common. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Thyme comes to the rescue yet again. Studies suggest that thyme can lower your blood pressure dramatically. Research on rats suggests that it also may lower your heart rate and cholesterol levels. For lowering your blood pressure, you can drink thyme tea. If you're eating too much salt, replace it by adding thyme to your meals instead. The less salt you have, the lower your blood pressure will be. Before we continue, would you like to learn more about drinks that can lower your blood pressure? You might want to watch our video on 13 beverages that will reduce your blood pressure immediately. Now back to our discussion on the benefits of thyme. Number 6. Supports oral health. Did you know that several mouthwashes contain thyme as an ingredient? The compound thymol can fight both inflammation and bacteria. Because of its high anti-inflammatory power, it's very effective against conditions like pyorrhea and gingivitis. It also makes your gums a lot healthier. Being antibacterial in nature, thyme eliminates the bacteria that causes halitosis and provides relief from the discomfort caused by canker sores. You may have heard about a condition called oral thrush. This is a yeast infection in which fungus accumulates in the mouth. Experts suggest that thyme can get rid of this fungus. Acting as an antiseptic, thyme maintains the hygiene of your mouth. You can prepare an easy thyme mouthwash at home. Just put 50 grams of thyme in water and boil for 10 minutes. Strain and use whenever you need. This is a natural remedy for different oral conditions. Number 7. Acts as a disinfectant. Mold is common in our households, especially during wet and rainy seasons. Thyme oil can be effective for getting rid of this mold. This, again, is thanks to thymol, which battles against fungus. In an interesting study, researchers collected 50 samples of wall scrapes from damp buildings. It was found that thyme oil can fight off mold. It also lasts a while. So how exactly do you use thyme oil in your house? It's easy. Mix 4 ounces of thyme essential oil in a gallon of water. Then spray the mixture on areas where mold is growing. Put this solution on the surface of the mold growing. Also, make sure to spray this mixture around the AC vents. If you need to, you can repeat this process. In addition to being a fungicide, thyme also acts as a pest repellent. Again, the credit goes to the compound thymol. It's an ingredient in many pesticides and targets bacteria, viruses, rats, and other pests. Studies have shown that thyme essential oil can repel mosquitoes. Just growing thyme in your garden won't help. You can try making a homemade thyme-based pest repellent. Either mix 4 drops of thyme oil for every teaspoon of olive oil or 5 drops of thyme oil for every 2 ounces of water. Number 8. Natural food preservative. Do you have food in your fridge that's going bad? Well, next time, use some thyme. The antibacterial compounds can help preserve the food. It's found to be very effective against bacteria that can make humans ill. Thyme oil eliminates food-related bacteria and fungi. Studies have suggested that thyme oil can slow down the growth of bacteria, stopping things like salmonella from developing. Thyme is a versatile herb that can go in so many recipes. If you're not into making some fancy tea, just add it to a meal. Fresh thyme leaves go well with salads, soups, and pasta. You can sprinkle fresh leaves on your cooked eggs, meat, and seafood. Thyme can be easily grown in your backyard. Even if you don't have the extra open space, you can grow thyme in pots as well. This way, you'll have fresh thyme available every time. Dried thyme gives your meal a fresh flavor and aroma. You can add it while roasting chicken or baking bread. If you want to use thyme essential oil, maybe talk to a doctor first. Its compounds could harm pregnant women and young children. Would you like to learn more about the potential benefits of other herbs? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more videos, shall we? Check out 7 herbs and spices with the most powerful health benefits, or how about 15 health benefits of parsley you never knew about? Go ahead and click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about herbs and their health benefits. Did you know about the benefits of thyme before watching this video? Would you consider trying it? Let us know in the comments below.